Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you lengthening eyelashes and thickening eyebrows naturally in just 3 days. You will notice a great results, my friends. All you need to do is prepare the magical remedy, apply it before you sleep, and after 3 days of using this remedy, you will find your eyebrows got thicker and your eyelashes will be long and thick eyelashes naturally. This is thickening the eyelashes and lengthening the eyebrows, and it's super effective in getting rid of any kind of hair fall, and it's amazingly effective, my friends. But before we start out, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you'll be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me. So to prepare this magical remedy, my friends, the first ingredient we need is carbon tablets, and the carbon tablets easily available in the pharmacies and medical stores. We need around 2 tablets of carbon tablets like so. Now place it into a grinder and blend it fine into a powder. After grind it fine into a powder, place it in a clean mixing bowl. Make sure it's grinded to a very fine powder. Friends, we need to add on it 2 capsules of vitamin E, and here I'm using 1000 milligrams vitamin E. Vitamin E is super effective in thickening the eyebrows and getting longer eyelashes naturally. So add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Then my friends, we need to add another magical ingredient, which is coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now my friends, with an old mascara, get the old mascara like so, and mix the ingredients very well. And apply it on your eyebrows or eyelashes. As you can tell, it's super dark, and it will get you longer and thicker eyelashes and eyebrows naturally. Go to sleep. In the next morning, wash your face like you normally do, and you will be amazed with the result, my friends. It thickening and lengthening the eyelashes and the eyebrows naturally. In just 3 days, you will notice a great result. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.